Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by enabling breakout rooms in Zoom's web settings and making yourself a licensed host. Once done, add at least one co-host to help manage rooms. Next, choose pre-assigning via CSV or plan to create rooms live. Pre-assign saves time for large groups. You'll want participant names or ID ready and a simple grouping plan so you can create rooms quickly when the meeting starts. You open the Breakout Rooms panel and pick how many rooms you need, then select automatic or manual assignment depending on your goal. If you pre-assigned, upload the CSV and verify names. If manual, drag participants into rooms and rename rooms for clarity. Make sure to set options. A countdown timer, allow participants to return to the main session if desired, and permit participants to move between rooms when appropriate so flow stays smooth. You start rooms and monitor activity by joining rooms or using broadcast messages. Use a visible countdown to keep everyone on schedule. When time's up, close rooms and return everyone to the main session, choosing immediate or timed recall based on wrap-up needs. If participants can't join or assignments fail, check co-host permissions, ensure everyone's on the latest Zoom app, then reassign affected users or restart the breakout room.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.